Hi everybody, a quick question for you. Can you think on your feet? Wait a minute, think on your feet? What does that even mean? Keep watching to find out. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people. So, what does it mean to think on your feet? Let's take a look at this phrase in a short dialogue. John and Alex are colleagues and they are discussing hiring a new employee. What kind of person do we need for this position? Well, it's important that they have new ideas and can make decisions quickly. Right, so we need someone who can think on their feet. Exactly. So, what do you think it means? Did you get an idea from the context? Well, to think on your feet means to think and react quickly, to make good decisions very quickly. For example, in a job interview, you could use this phrase. It's a great phrase for talking about your strengths. You could say, I'm very good at thinking on my feet. And companies like people who can think on their feet. Let's have a look at some more examples. He's always been good at thinking on his feet. Say it with me. He's always been good at thinking on his feet. So he has shown many times in the past that he can react and make good decisions quickly. He has always been good at thinking on his feet. Some of the interview questions were very tricky, so I really had to think on my feet. Say it with me. Some of the interview questions were very tricky, so I really had to think on my feet. So I had to react quickly and give good answers. Great, now let's go back to the dialogue we saw at the start and we'll practice reading it together. You read John's part and I'll read Alex's part. So John comes up first. As soon as you see the dialogue, you can start reading. Well, it's important that they have new ideas and can make decisions quickly. Exactly. Excellent. Now let's do it one final time. This time I've taken the phrase out of the dialogue. Can you remember it? Let's try it. Well, it's important that they have new ideas and can make decisions quickly. Exactly. So that brings us to the end of another short lesson. I hope you liked it and I hope you get the chance to use that phrase soon. If you did like the lesson, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave me a comment with your own example sentence. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks, I send out my vocabulary newsletter with additional business English, words from the news, and everyday English for you to learn. So check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.